Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Pikachu bonded with the blue orb. If you must know, Pikachu, if you saw that episode where Ash and his friends finally caught up against Team Magma and Team Aqua, if you must know, Ash's Pikachu bonded with the blue orb because Groudon was asking him for help. But here's a scary thing about Pikachu. His appearance is really too scary looking for a Pokemon, but that's why I decided to draw him in the first place. But it's totally worth it. Okay, when you start drawing him, you must start with his head and start with the eyes, people. Always start with the eyes. And if you must know, he has the Groudon symbol on his forehead and his chest because of the blue orb inside of his body. And man, is that scary. Okay, next up is his ear. Okay, next up is his line here. There's his head. Next up, here's his arm here. Next up is his other hand here. Sorry, my knuckles got a little wired. Okay, almost done. Next up, here's his feet. Be sure to put 3 toes on each side of him. Done. Done with that. And done. That is how you draw Pikachu bonded with the blue orb. Looks exactly like the one in the picture, don't you think? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty awesome, don't you think? Anyways, this version of Pikachu was seen in 2 episodes. But I'm starting to think that they should include this form of Pikachu in the movie, in the actual Pokemon game, and also add it in the TV show. They could have done the same thing with Armored Mewtwo, but they didn't. Anyways, that's kind of about it for now. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll let you guys know when I'm going to draw you guys next. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.